Okay, so now we're gonna go through the review for last part of the content that will be included in exam 2, which is chapter 7 that come from topic 7.1 and the bond price reporting. So for topic 7.1 is actually relevant to bond valuation. So in order to find the value of bond, we just basically apply the same concept that we learned from chapter 5 and 6, which is the concept of time value of money, and also discounted cash flow. Valuation. So we're going to apply the same concept that we learned from chapter 5 and 6 to bond valuation. So these are tables that we are all familiar with. Okay, so for N, okay, it's going to be the number of period. Okay, and when it say period, again, it's not necessary the year. Not necessary year. Okay, it can be month or 6 month or quarter, But generally for the bond topic, you usually dealing with 6 month, either 6 month period or year. Okay, so it can be generally it will be year or generally it will be 6 month, but very likely in general bond will pay 6 month coupon. So you deal most of the time with 6 month period. Okay. However, if it's state that it's paid annually, then it's go back to be a year. Okay, and it's the number of period until maturity. So that's the N for bond. Okay, and then for IY, okay, I put all the terminology that you may have to know when you're gonna put those information as IY. The first one is called investment return per period. Second one is market interest rate per period, and the last one is yield to maturity per period. Okay, so these all three actually the same thing that you will put it as IY, and again has to convert everything into per period before you put it here. Okay, which it has to match with here, and it has to match with payment. Okay, so let's skip PV and come to payment first because I already mentioned about it. Payment for bond is basically the coupon payment in dollar per period. Okay, so how to find coupon payment per period? You just simply multiply coupon rate per period. Okay, with the par value. So if let's say that coupon rate is 8%, pay semi-annually. Okay, so you know that if 8% pay semi-annually, that means each 6 months you get 4%. And the 4%, that is the coupon rate. Then you convert to coupon payment by multiply with par value, which is, we assume it's 1,000 in general case. So your coupon payment for each 6 months would be 40. See, that's how you convert coupon rate into coupon payment. And because coupon rate or coupon payment are assigned to be in PMT, which is basically already tell you that coupon rate is fixed. Because whatever that we put in payment, that has to be the series of cash flow that has this equal amount and happen at the same frequency. So come to coupon payment, which convert from coupon rate. If you put in PMT, that means that coupon payment or coupon rate is a thing that fixed or constant throughout the life of bond. Okay, so you have to kind of remember that coupon rate is never changed. It's just part of the contract. So when you're looking at here, for example, this bond, for example, okay, has the coupon that quote as 1.85%, and this coupon will not change throughout the life of bond up until it's mature. Okay, will not change. Okay, this can change. This can change every day. The selling price, the sell and buy price, and the price change here, and RC, which we're gonna discuss later, but all this can change all the time. Okay, so come back to here. PV is the current price of bond. Okay, when you think about bond, just kind of same thing as stock, that bond and stock price can change basically every day, every minute. So present value of bond can change throughout the life of bond. And when you're looking at the price of bond, sometimes you might already have the information as the dollar amount, so that's good to go. You just plug that number in here. But sometimes when you're looking at the bond quotation, okay, which is shown in this table, this is the quotation. Okay, when you looking at the bond quotation, the number that's shown here, for example, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, everything that is present here is the percentage of par. Okay, so when you're looking at PV from quotation, you're looking at what is called ask price. Okay, which is here. This will be your PV, okay? And I'm gonna go through how to convert this into dollar, but this is basically percent. This is percent, this is percent, this is percent, and this is percent, okay? So that is how to get PV. So looking at the price that sell today, which sometimes you get in dollar amount, or sometimes you have to convert the percent quote price into dollar amount by yourself by looking at ask price. Okay, and last piece is the FV for bond. Okay, at the end of maturity, all bond, okay, will reach the price of $1,000, which is the par value of bond. Okay, if it's quote other price, then that will be the par value of bond, but in general it will be $1,000. Okay, so this is therefore called FV because it's happened at the end of the timeline. Okay, and along the time you get the coupon payment, coupon, up until the last one, you get the last coupon payment plus the price you can redeem at the maturity of this bond, which is $1,000. So FV is called par value, or it's also called face value. Okay, so let's come to looking at how to convert the percentage of the price quote here into the dollar price. So for example, if you're looking at, let's start here, the one that I already highlighted so you can see it easily. So we start from here. Okay, so when you're looking at this information, you'll see that this bond will be mature at 5, 15, 20, 30. Okay. Coupon for this bond, coupon rate for this bond is 6.25%. And since it doesn't say anything, so we can just simply assume that it's paid semi-annually. Okay, and next one here, this is the bid price. Okay, so bid equal to 136.8359, which is, this is the percent of par. Okay, therefore this bid price is equal to percent times 1000, which you're gonna get is equal to, okay, I think I missed that. Yeah, okay. So this will be dollar amount for bid price. And what is the bid price? Okay, so bid price, this is the price that an investor sell bond back to the dealer or the market. Okay, so if you holding bond now, you want to sell that bond today, so that will be the price that you're gonna get for each bond: $1,000, 368, and 36 cents. Okay, now come to what is called ARS, which I already mentioned that this is the PV for investor. Okay, so the ARS price here said that the ARS is quoted as percent, and this is a percent of par. So basically, the ARS price for this bond is equal to this percent times 1000, which is gonna be equal to dollar. Okay, and this price, okay, gonna be the price that an investor will pay to buy a bond. Okay, so that's the definition of ARS. So that's why from your investment perspective, ARS price will be used as PV because it's the price today that you're gonna spend to buy a bond. Next one, okay, you see here, this is change. Okay, so what change mean? So changes again basically is percent. Okay, and this percent is just the change that show the change of ARS price. Okay, so let me write it here then. From here, okay, so change. Okay, change for negative 0.7818. That means the ARS price today decline relative to yesterday price. That's why change show negative here. Okay, so if you want to find yesterday price, that means yesterday ARS price will be equal to 136.19141 plus 0.7813. 113 or 18. Let's see. 13. Yes. Right. Okay, so 13. That will be equal to 137.6954. Okay, and again, this is percent, right? Everything here is percent. This is percent. So it's percent of what? Percent of par. Okay, so that means yesterday price is equal to 1,376.954 dollar. Okay, that's a yesterday ask price. And what else? The last piece that you see here is called ask yield. Okay, so ask yield right here. That's looking at this piece. It's actually just tell you how much is the total investment return for this bond. Okay, so ask yield is the same as yield to maturity. Okay, and you can put the ask yield into IY right away if you somehow got this quotation table, because ask yield is simply the total investment return of bond, okay, from today until maturity. Okay, so that's the definition of ask yield. All right, so last one that I need to discuss is called coupon yield. Coupon yield is just basically come from the this formula, which is annual coupon payment divided by current price of bond. Okay, so when you get normally current yield just tell you how much of the yield that you earn from coupon payment in relation to what you invest on that bond. Okay, so it just tell you basically your current yield. Okay, actually I said correct here, not coupon yield, current yield. Okay, so let's work on this problem together. So this question gives you the information about 10-year bond issued a year ago. Coupon rate is this percent, make semi-annual payment, par value 1,000, yield to maturity is 7.1. What's the current bond price? Okay, so that means current bond price. This is what you need to find, which is present value. Okay, this bond pays semi-annually, pay coupon semi-annually. Okay, so N will be basically 9 years because this bond issued 1 year ago. So from today until it's mature, that will be 9. But because bond pay coupon twice a year, so number of period will be 18. Okay. IY will be the yield to maturity, which is this one, 7.1, but that is percent per year, so you have to make it into percent per 6 months. So I got this equal to 3.55. Okay, PV, that's what you need to compute. Payment will be the coupon payment. This is coupon. Okay, and how can you convert coupon rate into coupon payment? So coupon rate 8%, 8.8%, that is percent that you're gonna get for whole year, but this coupon pay twice a year. So the coupon rate will be half of that. And to convert the coupon rate into coupon payment, you just multiply with par. So you're basically got $44 each 6 months as a coupon payment. Okay, and at the end of year 10, okay, at year 10, today is year 1. Okay, at the end of year 10, you're gonna get $1,000 back. Okay, from redeeming this bond. So this will be future value, and you now compute for PV.